Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to extend a video in Kling AI quickly and easily. So this is helpful when your clip feels too short, needs more time for a voiceover, or requires a smoother transition. So Kling AI continues the scene while keeping the same style and movement. And before starting, make sure that you are signed in to Kling AI app, and you will also need an active subscription because the extend feature may require plan access and credits. So from the main workspace, click Assets. So this is where your uploaded and generated videos are stored. Next, select the video that you want to extend. So for better results, choose a clip with smooth motion, clear lighting, and an ending that can continue naturally. And after selecting the video, click Edit, and at the bottom of the editor, open the control showing settings like 1080p, 5S, and 1. So in here, you can adjust the resolution, duration, and generation settings. For most videos, 1080p is a good choice for clear quality. Next, choose 5 seconds for the duration. So this tells Kling AI to add 5 more seconds to end your clip. So short extensions usually help keep the motion and scene more consistent. And once everything is ready, click Generate, and then Kling AI will process the video and create the extended version. The processing time may vary, so keep the page open until it finishes. And higher quality settings or repeated generations may use more credits. And when it is complete, the extended video will appear in the same project, ready for editing or sharing. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.